MasterCare brings you Dashboard as a Service, a business intelligence software giving you a smart way to view and understand everyday data. Reporting is made simple with visually pleasing dashboards. No more time spent on spreadsheets and time-consuming exports. Enjoy easy analysis in seconds with our ready-made customised dashboard from Data Warehouse. These powerful interactive dashboards can be shared and viewed by you and your team for a better perspective and deeper understanding of operations. Connected to data important to you and data sets relevant to your business. Your data and information is accessible anywhere, anytime, on any device. Secure in our cloud, your data and the privacy of your clients is protected in our trusted and secure environment. All your data at a glance, quickly and easily transformed from multiple sources to give you the analysis you need to make better decisions. Trial Dashboard as a Service for free for 2 months. Seeing is believing.